Welcome to the Mud Jug 1 channel. I am your host. Today we're outside. Apologize for the wind. We're doing a little on-location videos. Remember everybody used to do on-location vids?
A long time ago, bro.
Anyway, as you can tell by the title, I wanted to do a truck video. Let everyone know a little update. People wanted to know I had some issues with the DURAMAX a while back. Well, I had more than some issues. I've had this truck for 6 years. And it was great and fine and dandy when I got it, but you know, I'm older now and my penis has grown, so I don't need to drive around in a lifted truck anymore. It's so rough too, there's no good ride. I'm just over it. So I have a buyer for this, committed buyer. I'm just waiting for the pink slip to show up. So before selling the truck, I went out and got a replacement, and this is what I bought. So this is a 2019 Tundra, of course, 5.7, the big motor. We'll throw a picture up what it looked like before, and I had all the chrome painted, the bumpers, the chrome around the grill, the mirror caps, the logos, emblems, whatever you want to call it. Those are 24-inch black Rhino wheels. I had these painted matched, door handles painted matched, bumper as well in the rear. I put full on legit dual exhaust, not catback, real TRD dual exhaust on it. Let's see, obviously I tinted the windows and I lowered it. I put a lowering kit, the 2 in the front, 4 in the rear. Now, I wanted to lower it so that I could actually get away with smaller wheels. I wanted to go 22. Lack of wheel options for Tundras, because all you trailer park ride redneck wannabe sons of dicks that live in Kentucky but fucky, all you do is raise your trucks, and they do that in California too. Everybody raises their truck. So the lack of wheels for a street truck, that's basically what I built here. It was basically 3 or 4 wheel options. That's it. Why have we not packed the lip yet, Chris?
I don't know, bro.
Watermelon, outlawdip.com. Good grief. And I got the new Joker Mud Jug inside the Tundra too that I'm gonna spat in. Ugh, the juiciness. Oh my God, I can wring this out, Chris. I can wring it out. Look at, let me wring it out. Oh. Anyway, I'm not happy with the way that it handles. I got rid of the DURAMAX because that lift kit and those tires rides like shit. Well, what happens when you lower a vehicle? It rides like shit. So what I'm doing is I'm trying to track down drop spindles instead of shorter coil springs. That's what they did to lower the front end. And we'll see how it goes when we do that. Now, I will let people know on the DURAMAX, don't ever buy these fuel gripper MTs. These tires are garbage. Go with Toyos. I had Toyo MTs before, it rode way better. I would go with the Toyo RT actually if I were to keep this truck. These are Toyos on this thing, Roxas ST3. And I didn't get anything too fancy. I got cloth. I don't even have a power rear slider, man. I wanted to go with the not the crew cab, but I wanted to go with the double cab because I wanted the 6.5 foot bed. I don't like the way they look with them short choppy beds on them, and I want to be able to put some shit in there because I'm a truck guy and I haul shit around. I do man shit. Oh, look what we got here, the brand new Joker Mud Jug Chris dips one. All right, so we figured we'd come inside because it's a little windy out there and don't need to holler, and hopefully you guys can hear me better. You know, the interior is basic. I mean, I like the colors. You know, there's lots of room in the center console, which I like. I actually use a roadie now in my truck because the plastic slides around. In the DURAMAX, it used to sit there and it wouldn't move around, but this thing just slides around. Of course, the fact that it's, you know, a little bit different than driving the DURAMAX, I drive it a little faster than normal. So the roadie's the way to go on this truck. I was gonna go with a cold air intake, but basically the factory intake is just like a cold air intake, and it's a waste of $400 and some to go with a cold air intake. So I just went with the stock intake, left that on, and I bought a TRD race air filter for 70 bucks on Amazon, and I noticed a little bit of difference. I noticed a way bigger difference with the exhaust. I'm happy with the exhaust. I had to put it on right when I bought the truck. So anyway, what do we pay for trucks here in California? I want to say that I paid $34,000 for this truck. Plus I added a warranty, extra warranty. Plus I added the exhaust and then tax and license, which you got to pay. So that's basically, I drove this DURAMAX for 6 years, of course made payments on it. And basically what I'm getting for this truck is what I paid out the door for this truck. So not a bad deal. I thought it was a win-win. And you know, time to move on. I wanted to try a Toyota. Everybody's gonna give me shit. Everybody's gonna give me shit. Well, these things are made in America pretty much.
Assembled here, right?
Yeah. But I'm hard on vehicles. I really am. I drive hard, and the problems I've had with Chevy, I've only had one Chev out of the last 5 Chevs that I've had in the last 15 years that I never had any issues with. This thing, good thing diesels hold their value, so I'm getting a good price for the damn thing, and you know, I'm happy with the Tundra. I think it looks sick, but we got to work on that front suspension a little bit so that it rides a little better, because you know, and I don't really want to be, I'm a little too old for low back problems, a little too old to be bouncing around, you know. So I want you guys to let me know in the comments down below if you think it was a bad idea. I have a pretty good feeling most people are gonna say yes, it was a bad idea. You got rid of a DURAMAX for a freaking Japanese Tundra. But, you know, let me know why it was a good idea, a bad idea. Maybe let me know what I should have done versus shouldn't have done. I get sick of shit real fast, and I don't know why I've kept the old lady around for 11 years or however long it's been, but I like to switch it up a little. I never drive the Shelby. I think I have 3,300 miles on my Shelby, and I've had that car for almost 3 years. What is that average, 1,100 miles a year? I don't want to be shifting a lot when you're in California. You're driving in traffic, of course, and shifting's a pain in the ass. And every time I take it out, I know that I can easily get the thing taken away from me and towed and impounded and lose my license because of how I drive it. Just ask Chris. Anyway, let me know in the comments what you guys think. If I'm an idiot, yeah, you know, most people will think that, but at the end of the day, it's whatever you're happy with, or in this case, whatever I'm happy with. And I have no regrets whatsoever.
It's my credo, no regrets.
Speaking of Tundras, right? Kyle Busch races truck again. I think he's won 4 truck races this year. What in the hell is going on with NASCAR? Somebody tell me, enlighten me as to why Kyle Busch, why any Cup driver is allowed to race so many truck races. I thought they put a minimum on that shit. I Googled it and I couldn't find it anywhere. So somebody let me know, because, oh my gosh, just pisses me off, as you guys know. I guess that's it for me. I would suggest grabbing you some of that Outlaw Wild Watermelon. By the way, Tough Guy, they're getting rid of the, like I said last video, peach, wintergreen, gonna be gone, and the peppermint. They're making room for other things to come, but get it while you can, because they're almost out of that shit. I'll leave you with this. Always be a man and reach for that can, because if it ain't dip, it ain't shit. If you ain't packing, you slacking. And if you don't like my Toyota truck, I don't give a. I'm out.
So, tell us, what's up with this deal you got?
What are we rolling in? Your truck?
Nope, we're going in that thing out there.
Oh my God, dude. You can't be serious.
So you're telling me we gotta pack our shit up, leave everything behind, drive halfway across the country to some dude who doesn't even like names, and then pick up 150,000 cans of dip to sell for profit? I'm with it.
I'm down. Oh, damn. Road trip?
Let go of your cocks, pack your socks, boys. We're going on a dip run. You're totally high. There is nothing out there.
I'm going on a dip run!
I was the only soldier in my unit in the global war on terrorism to take that deuce in half across them sands of Iraq.
We're out here in the Ozarks, right? You see, there used to be an old mining town. These city slickers came in and bought up all the mines. The miners wanted to get revenge on the city slickers, so what they did was they tied them up by their feet to a gosh dang tree and burned them over a giant fire! And they still ain't caught the miners to this day.
I see we got us some visitors. How you boys doing tonight?
You're gonna run into some serious shit out there, some gangster type characters, automatic weapons and whatnot, so it would
Automatic weapons? What the hell?
We're gonna have to move fast before they move the cash.
Don't move.
Damn, the money's gone!
I think we need to disconnect ourselves from the negative bullshit going on in this world right now. Plus, a little R&R won't be so bad.
There's inbred trying to kill us!
We'll have to drive across the country, pick that shit up. Pretty simple plan, if you ask me. What's the worst that could happen?
I think this is it! What do you mean this is it?
Oh, shit.
What the f***?